Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Spiritual Divya and this reading is very important for each one of you. Yes, for each one of you. Reason I'll tell you why, because this instance were talk to the people who are watching my videos on YouTube. For them there is a particular message. Go ahead, open all the tarot deck you have got. I won't be able to show it to you, but yes, I've got so many of them. I just opened and they asked me to look at the last card in the deck. So it is talking more about relations and money, the second house into your astral world. Then again I have got the tarot one is talking about pentacles. That another tarot deck is also talking about pentacles. I don't know if you're able to see it. Ten of Pentacles is talking about Pentacles again. So basically, you are someone who is worried or concerned about your financial things right now. A relation with finance, or you are into a relationship where you are too responsible kind of a person, and you might be someone who is concerned why my things are still going haywire. But it's a beautiful reading. It's something that is quite positive. I could see as you're freaking out, you're fearing, you have this fear things going on inside you is what I'm getting. You also feel that you have got that evil eye on you. Things are being blocked. Yeah, you feel that things are being blocked. You have this evil eye on you. You feel fearful at the moment. So yes, that's the reason the crystals that came out today while I'm reading was, you are supposed to work on your root chakra, you're supposed to work on your solar plex, and you are supposed to work on the divine. You need to believe in the deities. Out of nowhere today I felt like wearing this one as well. I missed as well. So yes, okay, so the reading is going to be quite powerful. Stick back till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you know what to do. Go ahead, subscribe, because that helps me get your energies and do your readings on daily basis. I love you all. Meanwhile, let's go ahead and pull the first tarot deck, and then we'll move towards other angelic message. So yes, there was with my spirit animal deck, this is the power message that you all have got. Please don't freak out, don't fear, don't worry at all about anything right now, because whatever you have got that power in you. You know how you're going to survive. You already have got that vision. So now things might look like, why am I not getting things what I have been looking forward to? I really started this year on a positive note. You are positive, I'm not saying you're negative, but there is some kind of fear inside you, deep dive inside you, that is like, are you really practical about your life, is what is coming out quite constant. So universe is saying that you have got all that power and energy that you need when you're looking out for money, or relation with money, or relation with anyone else that is helping you survive, or you are being too responsible for everyone. Okay, I honor my intuitions and go where it leads. So possibilities are, you are someone who feels that you have started doubting your intuitions a little bit. Why I say a little bit? Because you have seen the magic happening recently. Like last month you have seen something happening. In the month of November, I'm listening, you have seen something happening, and it felt like, oh, could that be possible? How could that be possible? Because you are always growing. Now also depends on the perspective that you have. You have always been growing no matter whatever the situation is. If you look back in the month of September, October, or November, December, you would see that every single day you have evolved. And this is somewhere is a sign that you are only progressing ahead. So something magical happened in the month of November or December, or probably even in the month of October, something in the last 6 months. Typically, I'm getting November and December, that made you believe in your intuitions, because your instincts worked in that particular situation, and that gave you money. Go ahead and recollect those days where it felt like, yes, this is where my intuition works. This is where I understood, yeah, everything is good. So that's the reason you're not completely not having trust onto your instincts, but somewhere there is, because there's a block towards your financial things, you feel little stuck today. But don't worry, there's a good message. I'm getting amazing vibes out here, amazing vibes today to tell you that everything is working in your favor. I'm recording this on 16th of January. Yeah, today is 16th. As I'm always mention, I don't edit my videos. I go ahead and straight away post the videos. See, I said there is something beautiful coming your way, and you really don't have to worry about that. Don't have that fear. Don't have that uh, I don't know what's going to happen next. You have this person coming your way. There is a chance. Oh yes, you have this moment coming your way, the lovers moment. But behind that, right now it feels the tower moment. So many of you might be facing a tower moment. 5 might be resonating to you, the because you went through this again, or you have already gone through this. You want to have your own say, you want to have your me time. You feel like, I'm too wise, I'm working in the right direction. It is just that the world is not able to understand me, the world around me is not able to understand me. So the little thing you need to do now is, don't do anything. Just keep moving ahead. 6 might be resonating, 000 might be resonating to you all, 9 might be resonating to you all. Yes, you do have this tower moment, honey, but that's temporary. And do nothing, because whatever you're trying to do is working for you and for your highest good. It might seems like you have this block currently, but there is no block. We are going to do a deep dive into tarot. Don't worry about it. Will you or won't you? The choice is yours. So keep your mentality, keep your mindset right. Also, I'm seeing that you might end up coming back across your ex-lover, your ex-friends with whom you discontinued last year. But again, the choice is yours whether you want to reconcile or not. We are going to deep dive again onto that, but before that, let's proceed with what cards we have. This person made you feel a little lonely. I'm again pulled back to the same topic. This person made you feel lonely, and this person helped you love yourself more. Whatever this problematic situation was in this relationship, the learnings that you got was, you are enough. I am enough. If you have not yet started feeling that, start saying I am enough. The moment you start feeling I'm enough, you start attracting the right kind of people who are not empty, but they have something to give it to you. So until they have something to give it to you, and you have emptied your mug already, the cup already, you will not be able to give anything until you receive. So now it's time for you to receive that same kind of a love. So possibilities are, the same person is coming back, maybe a friend, maybe someone, an ex-lover, maybe someone with whom you had this kind of relation which mattered a lot. Like, they didn't talk to you, it bothered. They didn't react, it bothered. They were not present, it bothered. So every single thing, every simple thing bothered to you a lot, which you broke last year. But now it's the high time they are coming back. Now they are coming back. It's not a test. No, it's not at all a test. They are coming back because you have learned the lesson that you were supposed to learn. Certain relations here are something like, I suppose there is someone in my life who is outspoken person and I am an introvert. So my lesson with this person, the karmic lesson I was supposed to learn, is to learn how he speaks, the way he communicates, the way he expresses things out. And if I don't learn it, there might come a day that I have to part my ways from this person. The day I learn my lesson to speak out clearly, I will have this option of reconciliation. So this could be a twin flame. This could be someone who truly understand you. But now this time the person comes in, it's going to have a changed behavior. They are going to quickly take certain actions. Page of Wands. They are taking certain actions which will bring in, just because you are passionate about it doesn't mean it is effortless. So here is a message. Universe is saying that, okay, you definitely have put in that hard work, you definitely have put in that extra effort, and that's the sole reason it might have made you feel like, I'm the one who's filling up the cup, but the person is not putting up the efforts at all. Now, because you have learned the lesson, universe is giving you an option, okay, whether to consider this person again the instance, or not to consider this person at all. It's all up to you. So don't worry, you're not tested, you're not forced onto anything. Just listen to your instincts, because if the vibes were really high with this person, he or she made you feel the completeness. If this person made you feel complete, it was just that one thing that bothered you, and if that thing has changed, you decide. Again, I'm no one to say out here. It would be your call. Whatever you decide, universe is going to support you into this factor as such. Yeah. Let's go ahead and pull in, because now this has turned into a love reading or this friendship reading. Let's go ahead and pull in few more cards relevant to the same, and we'll come back to the money factor, because money is not a problem is what I'm listening. Money is not at all a problem. It is just the mindset shift, and now because you're shifting, you're transforming things, it is just that last bit of things. You might be seeing vivid dreams. You might be dreaming about something that looks like, I don't know, something I'm getting is I've come to I mean, the lifestyle has gone from a king to a slave, is what I'm seeing. So you might be dreaming something like this. You might be getting this vivid dreams and might be scaring you out, fearing you out, relevant to money, because money again is not at all a problem. Universe is constantly telling me money is not at all a problem. Don't worry, honey. You have been hurt. Universe is listening to you and money is coming to you. Money should not be a problem at all. 11-17 should be, yeah, see the emotional fulfillment, the hermit phase. It's okay to have. Again, the cards have come up the same way. Yeah, might be not the shuffle. Universe wants me to speak more onto this, it seems. Okay, continuously universe is demanding us to be in this present moment. Stop worrying and fearing about how would I survive tomorrow, the next morning, before the next morning happens. And if you don't have anything in your bank account and you have bills to be paid, EMIs to be cleared, or do whatever, you would end up getting that money from everywhere and anywhere. Just keep going is what universe is saying. Please get wiser with yourself. There are some things that must be done on your own. Yes, please get wiser with your own self. Take what resonates, honey. Be wiser with your own self. You need to love yourself a little more and pamper your inner child also, just like how you pamper your loved ones. If you have got a partner already, how would you treat your partner? How would you treat that child of yours? Whatever this is, the same way you need to treat yourself. So if your child comes and tells you, Mama, I want that, Dada, I want that, you go ahead and buy it if you have that capacity. So if your inner child is trying to say that I need to buy that branded clothes, so go ahead and buy it. Go ahead and invest into it, because your inner child is supposed to be the first one to be happy. So make your inner child happy is what universe is trying to tell you. Please be joyous. Being happy, being joyous is where you will attract money, because money is an energy. The energy flows in where there is constant happiness. 55 on the timer. You might be seeing 55 again. Yes, get ready. Things are about to shake up. Now this is in a positive way. About to shake up. Let's go ahead and pull in few more cards for you. About to shake up. Didn't I say in a positive way? What is it? Ace of Pentacle. The biggest opportunity is on its way. Once this opportunity knocks at your door, you will have no time for yourself. That means universe is demanding you to take that break and take that rest. Take utmost advantage of this timeline where you feel little down. It's okay, sit down, take a chill pill, relax, because everything is happening in the right time. Believe in divine timings. Believe in divine timings. What an abundant opportunity is coming your way, honey. Didn't I say this? Didn't I just say this? Even the Ace of Wands, it's time for you to act. Yes, keep on doing whatever you're doing. Just flow with the intuitions. Flow with the intuition is the message. So if you get an opportunity knocking at your door, you just need to ask, will this give me the benefits? Let me listen to my instance. Let me 14 on the timer. Let me listen to my intuition. So yes, if the intuition says yes, go ahead and do. And trust me, honey, if you're expecting something out of it, you are going to get 100 times. So it does not mean you will start expecting 100 times, but yes, whatever you're expecting, you're getting much better results out of it. Act. Don't you see how passion makes you glow? Huh? So love yourself a little more, honey. Why aren't you resting? Universe is demanding. I love this thing. I'm completely in love with this particular. Uh, well, why are you not resting, honey? When universe is asking you, please take that rest, please take that break. You're not feeling good because universe is saying that empty that space, cry it out, speak it out louder, watch certain movies. If it's not coming out, go ahead and watch that drama. That will come help you come release those excessive traumas. The witch is in, baby. You, the inner side of your inner side is so heavenly blessed that it's about to come out. And for it to come out, you need to let go of everything else. So again, a let go process. There is no need to sacrifice. You can have it all. So if you went, I am also listening to this. Some of you have been told, or you might have to choose either love or money or your career or your own self. So you have to make a choice, is what I'm listening. But no, honey, universe is saying that it's a guarantee. It's a confirmation from the universe. No, no, no. You don't have to choose anything, any one of them or any two of them. You have them all. You already have them all in your energies. So stop bothering so much about, oh, if I end up focusing on to money, I may end up losing on to relation. If I end up focusing on to relation, I may end up losing on to money. No, universe is saying that you have them all and you deserve more than you have got so far. Probably the best year of this life. Or please stop overthinking, honey. Many of you might be having sleepless nights and weird dreams both. So whatever time you might be going to sleep, you might be like, what the hell did I see? I'm sorry for the language. So yes, what did I see? We all get a bit carried away with our worries sometimes. So honey, please stop worrying. Please stop worrying. You have got some message coming your way. Check your letterbox, check your emails, check your messages. Again, the same message that has been popping up since along. Curiosity is a type of magic. So be curious because things, you are moving. Look at the bags. You are moving. Didn't I talk about the sea yesterday even? You are moving. You're sailing somewhere. And this sail, of course, wherever we sail, the turmoils comes, ups and downs comes, but really doesn't matter. Until you're sailing, you keep going. Sometime you rush, sometime you go slow. 1717 on the timer. All abroad, witches. It's time to write a new chapter. Yo, baby. You are traveling abroad, is what I'm seeing in the coming 5 months of time. You are traveling somewhere within 5 months to 6 months of timeline where you might never have expected. And this is going to be very sudden. This is going to come down to you in a manner that you have never expected. And you felt it's going to be overnight thing. Like, okay, the visa is done. Go ahead, apply for the visa is done, here are the tickets, move. It's going to be that quick. Huh. Wow. Just because you're passionate about it doesn't mean it is effortless. Again, the same card, so it might be emphasizing someone. That's the last card that came out. It might be emphasizing for someone. Yes, it might resonate to someone. So yes, take what resonates, don't what doesn't. Let's go ahead and put in, what is it, universe? They need to know. The spirit animals. Oh, the love. Honey bunny, my honey bunny dears. Be gentle with yourself. You heal with the power of love. See the light in all things. Acknowledge your self-worth and grace. What I have been talking about so far is a reconfirmation. Please love yourself a little more today. Keep on saying, okay, do this exercise with me. Come on, keep on saying this. All you have to do is rub your hands, keep it on your head. Whatever energies that does not serve me, I'm releasing out of my body. Keep it behind your ears, on your shoulders. Take it out of your body. Release. One more time, same way. Release. And release. Now, once you're done with that, just rub your hands, close your eyes, take a deep breath. Breathe out and visualize that happy little you the tinier you, the little vision of yourself. Look at that beautiful soul when you are too tiny. And when you look, just open your arms, let that tiny soul come inside your heart chakra. Let that tiny soul settle down. And as this tiny soul settles down, please hug yourself a little tighter today, because you have this beautiful, beautiful soul inside you. Pamper this soul, pamper this beauty. Oh, I love you. I love you so much. I'm going to listen to you. I'm just going to listen to you because you are the one who's at most important to me. You are the one. You are the reason that I'm on this earth. I love you, beautiful soul. I love you so much. Here on, I'm going to protect you. I'm going to save you. I'm going to make you full of happiness, joyous. I'm going to listen to you because I love you. I love you. I love you so much. I always speak to my inner child, and I have a different feelings on this earth. Okay, coming back to the reading, the second card that came up is something is coming your way. Some truth is being coming up your way, and this truth is going to make you feel a little heavy, but universe is demanding that don't buy these points. Don't be too serious. You need to be joyous. You need to be happy. Great wisdom comes from laughing at your own folly. Look out for the traps and tricks of life and learn from them. The best comedian is someone who laughs at himself. So universe is demanding you to keep happy. Be joyous. 44 on the timer. You might be seeing 4-4. Yes, universe is demanding you to be joyous, be happy, and see the flow, the energy coming your way, honey. The energies that are coming your way. I love you all a lot. 22 on the timer. Let's see what house. You might be a Leo. See the ringing. You might be a Cancerian. You might be a Virgo. You might have Saturn in your chart. You are someone who is healing. You are someone who's supposed to work on your solar plex. Didn't I talk about it? Nurturing. You are someone who's a nurturer. You are someone who's resourceful. Honey, you all are healing. We all are dealing with every single thing on this earth. Yes. Yes. Well, I love you all. Okay. Now there is an important announcement I'm supposed to make. I'm running this retreat in Maharashtra, somewhere near to Mumbai. And this retreat is going to start from 23rd of this month, January, to 27th of this month. So 23rd we check in, 27th we check out. Now during this phase, what are we going to do is we are going to heal ourselves completely. You should expect to have a leap during this 5 days of timeline. Now, why? If you're going through an intense problems like depression, you have anxiety attacks, you fear the loss, you have some kind of addictions, I would also say, if any kind of addictions, you feel that you're not able to come out of certain trauma, so you have gone through a traumatic events, then again, this retreat is going to make you feel really comfortable and come out of anything, any seriousness in your life, any serious problem in your life. So there are multiple techniques that I'm going to use, and I have used them over 1,000 to 5,000, I would say 1,000 personally and 5,000 clients plus I've healed online. So yes, there are particular therapies which I need to give on a personal way, in a personal touch way. There would be certain points I would be touching, and that will help you have that kind of a quantum leap. Well, if you are interested, please go ahead and book your slot on www.spiritualdivya.com. I have only now 2 to 3 slots, if I'm not mistaken. Rest all my existing clients have already taken up the space. So yes, if you want to heal, it's spiritualdivya.com. If you want to book a session, it's spiritualdivya.com. Whatever you need, it's spiritualdivya.com. That's the website you can follow, and please do subscribe to my channel. I love you all. And if you're here till now, 444 on the timer, if you're here till now, give me a white heart. I love you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Be blessed. And don't worry. No fearing, honey.